My name is Christella Antoni, and I'm a consultant speech and language therapist, and I specialise in helping with voice and speech issues. Well, I wanted to be a speech and language therapist from quite a young age, actually. I think because I had it myself, so I had an insight into how they work, and I think that stayed with me. And I wanted to help people with all their communication needs, really, voice and speech, and eventually specialising a little bit more into working with people's voices, so all types of different voice issues. There are many rewarding parts of my job, but basically helping somebody to communicate better really enhances people's lives. So whether that's rehabilitating a voice because it's had an injury, or they've had some kind of pathology, or something neurological happens, or for whatever reason, because they would need to modify their voice according to their own goals, their own identity, lots of reasons, it just enhances somebody's functioning. And so if you're able to function better, that helps with reducing people's anxiety. For example, sometimes people have anxiety communicating, and that restricts people socially. So if you can help somebody to use their voice and speech in the best way that they can, and according to their goals and how they would want to present in life, that will enhance their confidence, um, and function better in life. And part of what's rewarding about the job is supporting people through that whole process, because typically when people lose function or things have changed with their voice or speech, it can be quite destabilizing for people, quite worrying, because you can't, say, perhaps perform as well at work, or in your social life you might hold yourself back. So being able to support somebody through that whole process really helps people reach their goals, and to help alter their speech and voice in a way that's possible for them, and sometimes to enhance it to a much better level than even it was previously. So that's a really rewarding part of my job.